all nurses should resume duty with effect, and in any case, not later than Friday, the 15th of February, 2019 at 8 a.m.
The strike is ongoing. I have read 13 employers. Strike is on. Nothing has changed.
Kiama nathi gukararia mutongoria wa bururi na kwihita mugomo wao no guthie na mbere nginyagia makaya mao mahingio. Igoti ria Kiambu gwathana kwirwo atatu aria marakuruhanio na gikuo kia Mere wa Mbui mathie na mbere kuhingirwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 9 niguo athuthuria marikie uthuthuria wao. Na gikundi kia athuri kuma mihiriga 9 ya Kirinyaga gutabania mururungano wabici-ini cia gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Ani Waiguru makienda magie na uikaro nake niguo marĩrĩrie ngucanio ya mugunda wa Mwea.